That dull ache you've been ignoring could be the first tremor of a catastrophic failure silently building within your own body. It's a biological time bomb, and for millions of men over 40, the fuse is already lit, threatening to sever the very cables that allow you to move. To understand the danger, you must first see the battlefield. Your muscles are like a lush rainforest, crisscrossed by a superhighway of blood vessels, delivering oxygen and nutrients for rapid repair. But your tendons? They are a biological desert. This stark difference in blood supply is the core reason they are left to starve, unable to access the resources needed for healing. The very blueprint of your strength is made of collagen. But after age 40, your body's collagen factories begin a slow, relentless shutdown. The dense, perfectly aligned fibers that give tendons their incredible strength start to become disorganized and brittle. Unlike a muscle tear that can be patched quickly, a damaged tendon is like a frayed steel cable. Its fundamental structure is compromised, and the repair process is painstakingly slow. But there's a more sinister force at play. A hidden enemy is waging war on your joints. Chronic low-grade inflammation, fueled by diet and lifestyle, acts like a corrosive acid. It sends destructive signals that not only break down healthy tendon tissue, but also block the crucial repair signals, creating a vicious cycle of pain and degeneration. But this is not a death sentence. We can force a supply line into the starvation zone. According to researchers at leading institutions like Johns Hopkins Medicine, the key is a multi-pronged counterattack. First, nutritional warfare. Your body needs specific ammunition to rebuild collagen. This means a daily intake of at least 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C, not from a generic pill, but from whole food sources like 2 red bell peppers or 3 kiwis, which provide cofactors that unlock its power. This vitamin C is the spark plug for collagen synthesis. Combine this with 15 grams of hydrolyzed collagen peptides, specifically types I and the 30, taken 30 to 60 minutes before light activity. This preloads your bloodstream with the exact amino acid building blocks, glycine and proline, timed perfectly for delivery to the targeted tendon. Second, targeted mechanical signaling. You must command your cells to rebuild. This is done with eccentric exercises. For an Achilles issue, this means slow, controlled heel drops off a step, taking a full 5 seconds for the lowering phase. Perform 3 sets of 15 repetitions daily. This specific, gentle pulling motion physically stimulates the tenocytes, the dormant construction workers in your tendons, switching on their repair genes without causing re-injury. It is a precise signal, not brute force. Finally, you must eliminate the saboteurs. The greatest internal threat is advanced glycation end products, or AGEs. These are toxic compounds formed when proteins and fats are exposed to sugar, especially under high heat. They act like molecular glue, cross-linking your collagen fibers and making them brittle. This means drastically reducing foods that are browned or charred at high temperatures. Replace that grilled steak with slow-cooked or steamed meats. Eliminate sugary drinks and refined carbohydrates that create the high-sugar environment where AGEs thrive. The second saboteur is cortisol, the stress hormone. Chronic stress floods your system with cortisol, which is catabolic. It literally breaks down tissue, including your precious collagen. To counter this, you must prioritize 7 or 8 hours of quality sleep, as this is when your body releases growth hormone, the master repair signal. A simple daily protocol to implement tomorrow. Start your day with 10 minutes of deep diaphragmatic breathing to lower cortisol. 30 minutes before a walk, take your collagen and vitamin C. In the evening, perform your eccentric exercises. This isn't just about healing an injury, it's about fundamentally re-engineering your biochemistry to favor repair and build a body that is resilient from the inside out.